In this video, I will show you how to create a WordPress website in 10 minutes using Hostinger. I will show you how to set up your web hosting, install WordPress, install theme, choose a template, create your website and finally publish your website. So let's get started. At first, we will set up our web hosting and domain. To get an additional discount on any Hostinger plan, make sure to sign up using this link or scroll down to the video description and click on the very first link. When you click on that link, you will land on this page here. Now from here, click on claim deal. Now here we have three different pricing options. If you want to create an e-commerce website or you want to use the Hostinger AI tools, then you will have to go for the business or the higher plan. But if you want to create a simple website, then you can go with the premium plan. For this tutorial, I will go with the business plan. Now from here, we just need to select the time period for our web hosting. So if I click on this drop down, here we have four options: 1 month, 12 month, 24 months and 48 months. You need a 12 months plan or higher to get a free domain. But for the absolute best value, I will recommend you to go for the 48 months. If you go for 48 months, it will cost you 3.99 per month. But if you go for 12 months, it will cost you 4.99 per month. And for 24 months, it will cost you 4.49 per month. So for the absolute best value, I will recommend you to go for the 48 months. After that, you can apply my coupon code to get some extra discount. And once you are done, just click on continue from here. Now we need to register our Hostinger account. We can go with Google, GitHub, or we can use email password to create our Hostinger account. So I have entered my email and password here, and now I am going to click on register. Now here we need to add our billing address and then click on continue. Now here you will see the payment methods based on your region. I will select the card option from here. Now after adding our card details, I will simply click on submit payment. Now click on get started from here. From here I will click on myself or business and then click on next. Now again we will select create a website and then click on next. Select WordPress and then click on next. Now enter the login details for your WordPress website and then click on next. Now click on create blank site from here. So now we will search for our domain name. As we have selected the 48 months plan, so we have one free domain name available. So I will search for my domain name here, and here you can see that it's available and also it's free. So I will select my domain name and then click on next. And now I will enter my personal information and then click on finish registration. Now we need to select the data center location for our web hosting. So select the nearest data center because it will impact your website speed and performance. After that, just click on next. And as you can see that WordPress is now installing on our domain and hosting that we have just purchased. So this is the dashboard of our WordPress website. And from here, we will manage each and everything. So from the top, if I hover over my website name and then click on visit site from here. So this is the WordPress website that we have just created. But right now we will make it professional. So at first we will install a WordPress theme. So from the WordPress dashboard, just hover over appearance, click on themes. Now click on this add theme button. Now search for Astra. Install and activate this theme. We will use the starter templates to create our website. So I will click on start building now from here and it will install starter templates plugin. Click on let's get started. Click on skip. Again click on skip. Now click on build with templates. Now click on this back button from here. Now select Elementor, that is the most important. Now here we have a lots of templates that we can use for our website. We will only use the free templates. Some templates have the premium marking on the top. These are the premium templates, but we will only use the free templates. You can search for your template or you can find a template using these categories, or you can scroll down and find any template from here. I want to use this template, that is the mechanic template. So I will select this template from here. And now from here I can scroll down and view this template. After that, you can upload your logo, select your font pair and select color palette from here. But I will show you how to do it later on. If you like the template, click on continue. If not, then click on go back and select any other template. I want to go with this template, so I will click on continue from here. Now again click on continue, click on skip and start building. And as you can see that we have successfully created our website with the help of starter template. Now click on view your website from here. And this is the professional WordPress website that we have just created within minutes using Hostinger, WordPress and starter templates. And the best part is that you can customize each and every part of this website according to your own choice. And you don't need any coding skills. We will customize each and everything visually. So at first, let's start customizing our header and footer. So from the top, click on customize. To change the logo, just hover over it, click on this pencil icon. Now click on change logo. You can upload a logo from your computer. Just select files, select your logo and then click on upload. Or you can select it from the media library. Just select your logo and then click on select. Click on skip cropping. And as you can see that our logo is now changed. You can increase or decrease the logo size from here. After that we have this number. Just hover over it and then click on edit. Now click on got it. Now you can select your number from here and you can change it from here. Just add a new number here. It is very easy to change the email. Just hover over it, click on this pencil icon and then you can change it from here. To customize this navigational menu, hover over it and then click on this pencil icon. Now click on configure menu from here. Now here we have the primary menu. Click on edit menu from here. To delete any page from this navigational menu that you don't want, just click on this drop down button and then click on remove from here. And as you can see that our page is now removed. To add new items to your menu, click on add items, click on this plus button and your page will be added to your menu. You can also add custom links to your menu as well. Just enter your URL and then text and then click on add to menu. To change the design, just hover over your navigational menu, click on this pencil button again. Now click on design from here. Now scroll down. And from here you can change the color, you can change the background color from here, and from here you can change the font family and font size. To change this button, just hover over it and then click on this pencil icon and you can change this text from here and link from here, and also you can change the design from here. And for this social icons, just hover over it and then click on this pencil icon and then you can select any icon from here and then you can link your social media from here. Now to customize the footer, just scroll down to the bottom and here we have our footer. To change the copyright text, just hover over it and then click on this pencil icon and then you can change it from here. You can change this button from here and also you can change this text and this text from here. Once you are done customizing your header and footer, from the top just click on publish. And all the changes will be saved. Now go back to your starter templates page, click on finish setup from here and it will take us to our WordPress website dashboard. Now from the left menu, click on pages and here we have all the pages on our WordPress website. To delete any page, just hover over it and then click on trash. Now let's customize our home page. Just hover over it and then click on edit with Elementor. And it will take us to the Elementor editing panel. So Elementor is very simple. Everything on this page is created or divided with the help of containers. So here we have a container for our hero section, a container for our logos section, and then container for this section. So you can select the container from here and this container will be selected. You can hide or show the structure panel from here. So let's customize our hero section. Now to change this heading, just click on it and from the left menu you can easily customize it. Now I want to change it, so I will select it from here and then click on paste. So I will add a new heading here. So as you can see that our new heading is now added. To change the design, click on style from here. You can set the alignment from here. Now to change the typography settings, just click on this pencil button, and here we have all the typography settings. You can select the font family from here. Also you can change the font size from here. You can change the font weight from here. You can transform your text from here. You can style your text from here. And you can decorate your text from here. You can change the line height, letter spacing, and word spacing from here. So it is very simple, and if you want to go back to default, just click on this button. Now to customize this description, just click on it and you can add your own description here. Now click on style, click on typography, and here we have all the same settings as we did for the heading. We have font family and everything same as we have for this heading. So you can easily customize it according to your own choice. Same like this, if you are able to edit this heading, you will be able to edit all the headings on your website. So all the headings are the same. So if I select this one, here we have the same settings, then click on style, then click on this typography, and here we have the same settings as for this top heading. Now to change this button, just click on it. Now to change the button text, you can do it from here. As you can see that our button text is now changed. You can add a link to your button from here, and you can customize your button from here. You can change the button color from here. And you can change the background color from here. So now we are done with all the elements. Let's see how to change this background image. So click on this 6 dot button and our container will be selected. Now click on style, and here we have our image. Click on choose image. I will upload an image from my desktop. So I will click on upload files, click on select files. So I will select my image and then click on open. Now I will click on select. And as you can see that our background image is now changed. To add an overlay, just click on background overlay. Just click on classic, add a color. And then you can change the opacity from here. Right now it is set to 0.5, but I will set it to around 0.7, that is 70%. And as you can see that my text is now visible and my image is now also visible. So we have learned how to completely transform our hero section. So I believe after transforming this hero section completely, you will be able to transform or customize any section on your website, because all the other sections are easy as compared to the hero section. Let's say you want to customize this section. So click on this heading, you can change it from here. And for the style, you can change it from here. You can click on this description and you can change it from here. And for the style, you can change it from here. You can change these points from here. You can change these points from here. And for the style, you can change the style from here. To change these images, just select the image and you can change it to any image that you want. So I believe now you will be able to customize your whole website. Once you are done customizing your website, from the top click on publish and your website will be published. And now we will configure our contact form, because it's the most important part of our website. So whenever our clients want to contact us, they will use a contact form. So go back to pages and here we have contact page. Just click on edit with Elementor. Now scroll down and here we have our contact form. Just click on it and our form will be selected. Here on the left side, we will see the form name mechanic contact form. So click on edit the selected form. And now from here, we can customize our form, or go back to your WordPress website. Now click on WP forms from here. And here we will see our form. So click on edit from here. And here we will see the same editing panel as this one. To delete any field from your form, just select the field and then click on delete. Click on OK and your field will be deleted. Now to add a new field, click on add fields and here we have the field options. Just select the field and it will be added to your form. You can rearrange from here. Just select it and you can place it anywhere on your form. Now select the field and you can change its label from here. And you can set it to required or not from here. After that, from the advanced, you can change the field size. Once you are done customizing your form, click on settings and then click on notifications from here. And this is the email where we will receive all the contact form notifications. You can delete this email from here, or you can add a comma and then add a new email. Once you are done, just click on save and all the changes will be saved. Now click on this X button and from the top just click on publish. So this is the WordPress website that we have just created using Hostinger, WordPress and Astra theme. This website is professional because this website is created by the professional designers. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.